Among the countless stars, each beam of light could be a planetary system, and each planet may hold an untold story. Have you ever wondered whether we, humans on Earth, are the only civilization in this vast universe? For centuries, mankind has relentlessly searched for signs of extraterrestrial life. Many events, from mysterious radio signals to inexplicable encounters, have raised the question, have aliens ever tried to contact us? Today we will listen, analyze, and explore the evidence, from cosmic signals to extraordinary encounters, to ask ourselves, could it be that one day we will hear a call from a civilization beyond our world? On August 15th, 1977, at the Big Ear Observatory in Ohio, USA, an extraordinary signal was detected, a signal so remarkable that astronomer Jerry Eman excitedly wrote, "Wow," beside it. But what made this signal so special? The wow signal lasted about 72 seconds, with an intensity far beyond any known Earth-based interference or artificial source. It originated from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation, a vast region that later became the subject of numerous hypotheses regarding extraterrestrial civilizations. Some researchers speculate that if this were a message from an alien civilization, its lack of repetition could be due to a different mode of transmission, possibly a one-time beacon signaling their presence. However, others argue that it might have been an extremely rare natural phenomenon, a mere coincidence of cosmic conditions. Although the true origin of the wow signal remains a mystery, it has sparked humanity's curiosity about the possibility of messages from space awaiting interpretation. In 2020, as part of this Breakthrough Listen project, an initiative to search for signs of extraterrestrial life, a new signal was detected known as BLC1. This signal, originating from the Proxima Centauri system, the closest star system to Earth, carried a distinct uniqueness compared to the WOW signal. What made BLC1 notable was its unusual intensity and frequency. Initially, researchers confirmed it wasn't caused by earthly interference, although later analyses suggested that the signal could have been the result of human-made radio interference. Some scientists still consider the possibility that it was an extraterrestrial signal, if only a temporary one. The continuous discovery of such strange signals leads many to wonder, if there are civilizations out there, could they be sending messages in ways we are only beginning to recognize? In 1961, during a late-night drive through rural New Hampshire, Betty and Barney Hill, a married couple, experienced an unbelievable event. They described seeing a hovering object with flashing lights unlike any known natural phenomenon. Shortly after, they felt as if they had lost nearly 2 hours of time. Under hypnosis, Betty Hill recalled an unusual experience, being taken aboard a spaceship and undergoing medical examinations conducted by beings unlike humans. She later drew a star map, which remarkably aligned with the Zeta Reticuli star system, a system barely explored at the time. Many researchers debated psychological explanations and the influence of suggestibility, but what made this case particularly puzzling was the coincidence between Betty's dream details and later astronomical discoveries. Could this be more than just a nightmare, perhaps a real attempt at communication? One of the most intriguing modern encounters was experienced by Navy pilot David Fravor in 2004 off the coast of California. During a routine patrol, Fravor and his team recorded an unidentified object shaped like a Tic-Tac candy. The object was detected on radar before appearing directly in front of the pilots. What astonished them was its ability to move at extreme speeds, change direction instantly, and defy known principles of physics without any visible propulsion system or wings. The footage, later declassified by the Pentagon, sparked intense debate as no known human technology could replicate such movements. Fravor described the encounter as both shocking and awe-inspiring, challenging our understanding of what is possible. While no definitive evidence links this incident to extraterrestrial origins, it opens the door to possibilities beyond human comprehension. One of the most intriguing theories proposed is the zoo hypothesis. According to this idea, extraterrestrials, if they exist, might be observing us from a safe distance, much like how humans observe animals in zoos or nature reserves. This civilization may have evolved far beyond us in terms of technology and psychology, making direct intervention in the natural progression of a young civilization like ours unnecessary. They may see us as a subject of study, recording the behaviors and natural evolution of an emerging civilization. This silence and non-interference could be a sign of adherence to a non-intervention principle, similar to the ethical guidelines in wildlife research, which aim to avoid altering the natural behavior of the subjects being studied. Another theory suggests that if extraterrestrial civilizations exist, they may be deliberately staying silent. The reason is simple. Silence helps them avoid detection by potentially hostile or invasive civilizations. In the vast universe, not everyone may have peaceful intentions, and perhaps the more advanced civilizations are avoiding conflict by leaving no obvious traces. They could be using communication technologies far beyond our current detection capabilities, or they may have chosen not to send out any signals at all to prevent attracting attention from other civilizations. This silence is not due to a lack of interest, but could instead be a survival strategy in a universe where risks and conflicts are always lurking. In the end, all the events and theories we have analyzed point to a single overarching message. The vast universe holds countless mysteries. They wow, signal an unexpected moment in history, along with discoveries like BLC-1, compels us to reconsider the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Encounters such as those of Betty and Barney Hill, or pilot David Fravor, are not just bizarre stories circulated by the media. They challenge both scientists and the public in deciphering these phenomena. While we lack definitive proof that extraterrestrials have directly contacted us, each event raises an important question. Are our technology and detection capabilities advanced enough to perceive their signals? Perhaps one day, when humanity has made greater strides in science and technology, we will finally decode the language of the universe. Until then, stories, ambiguous evidence, and theories like the zoo hypothesis or the silent civilization will continue to fuel hope and curiosity, driving us to keep searching for answers. Ultimately, the question remains, will we ever make contact with extraterrestrials? Or are we merely listening to the echoes of the cosmos, whispers hidden within the silence of time and space? Reflect on this. And if you have any thoughts or additional information, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos on the mysteries of the universe.